Akku-Feststrecken gebaut. So ein kleiner 1S. 1,14? Nee, 1,10 glaube ich. Ich habe den nur umlackiert. Das Ding war knallrot und so robotermäßig. Ja. Und dachte ich, nee, geht besser.
I'm having trouble keeping up with it.
Ja, schon eher 4, 5.
Was da außen noch ein Kühlkörper auf ein Gehäuse bringen soll, nur auf der Oberseite, ich weiß nicht.
Jurgen, is this, you can buy this from the shop, or is this scratch built?
I have buy it, but it's modified.
Modified. It's had the Jurgen magic. Oh, he's catching it. No, he's not.
No. It's normally a toy plane from Avitron, but I made it a little bit lighter and painted.
Okay, you gave it that
the
scale
original
look.
looks like a robot in
Yeah.
Full red and looks.
I did wonder if a bird had got into the hall, but no, it is a toy, and you've just improved it a bit.
Yeah.
It flies well, doesn't it, for an ornithopter?
Yeah.
They don't normally fly in a very scale-like way, but this one's pretty.
And the
Pretty
steering
decent.
is.
Oh, okay. It deforms, so it like deforms the.
Yeah.
So they kind of act like ailerons, you think?
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe like ailerons.
Okay.
Not always easy.
Not easy to control. No, I can understand that. You gonna go for a catch? Yes, skills. Thanks, Jurgen. Fantastic.
Thank you.